Alright, welcome back to another video. So, throttle controllers. You've all heard of them? This is what I've just bought myself. It is the M81 throttle controller. Right here is my 2012 Audi A4 Allroad, and we're going to go install it now. See if it makes a difference. Alright, yes, let's open this thing. So yeah, I ordered this probably like, what, 3 days ago? And here we have the M81 throttle controller. Alright. Throw that down there, don't need it. So, oh, it already opens. Oh, limited, what's this? Damage or something on it. Okay. So what do we got? What do those stickers mean? I don't really know. Anyway, let's open this up. So here we have a little unit. So this will sit, oh, you can see the camera. So yeah, this will sit on the, like the dash of the car. So it's got like some, what is this, 3M tape on the back, so we'll stick that on. Put that up here. Let's open this, what's in here? So, here, this is the fun stuff. Alright, I don't actually know what this is, but it's, oh no, so this is the reading. So this here, little lightning, oh that's a lightning connector, alright. So that, yeah, that will plug into the bottom of this guy here, which we're having sitting in the car. And then this right here plugs in between the throttle cable. So unplug, you know, the throttle from the bottom of the actual pedal itself. It's like a little plug, unplug that, plug this guy in, and then yeah, we can go install that now. Alright, so let's open up this thing and let's have a look at it. Let's turn on, the light's already on, I'm gonna need a torch. So let me set my GoPro so that you guys can see. And I mean, you're not gonna see anything right now because there's no light. So let's just set up the light here real quick. How do you want to do this? Yeah, I will figure this out and then we'll continue. Alright, so what I believe is it's very difficult to get under here, but I believe this is the guy that needs to come out. So, no idea how to do this, and I'm a bit worried about doing something wrong. So let me just have a bit of a think about how this goes. Can this come out? This would be lovely. This bit could come out. Cool. So it's a few days later now, and my friend didn't want to help me, so I'm doing this by myself now. What we're going to go ahead and do is simply, I've got my toolbox here. We're going to put it down. I'm just going to see, because this is going to have to come off, this is going to have to come off so I can install the thing. It's hard to see. There's like a little plug. Now, I don't think I'll be able to, I'm going to try and film it, but the thing with the torch didn't really work, and I've kind of lost the torch now, so yeah, that's bad on my part, but yeah. So let's just see how we go. I basically just want to like pry this out now. I don't even know if this is the right tool. I've got like a massive toolkit of stuff. I know what I do. So I reckon if we just get under the clips here, like that, there we go, look at that. Easy. It's coming off easy. There we go. Cool. So this is what we're working with now. This is gonna come off because I don't think, where's the throttle? It's all the way down there. I've got to take this bolt off, which, okay, great. Well, it's almost like I knew this was happening. I've got one that's like the right size, and it should just be an easy bolt removal. Hang on, just figure out, it's this way around. There's a tab behind I don't want to lose. Let's just be gentle with this because it'd be a bit of an issue if I lose any of this stuff, so.
One eternity later.
We're getting there. This screw is the longest, or like most, doesn't need to be long, but is long screw in the world. There we go. Aha. We're out. Okay, now I don't want to lose this little tab behind here. Because, I mean, I don't know if you guys can see, I might have to zoom in a bit, but it's like a little tab. So, we're out. Do not want to lose this. So let me just put this over here in my little toolbox. Easy. Okay. So, how are we looking now for removal wise? Oh no, there's a thing down here. Alright, so this is what we got. We got like this little tool, some thingies. This look, hopefully that's the right size. If not, I've also got this. I don't know if that's, anyway, the bolt we need to get to is like there. So I don't know if you guys can see it. There's one there, that should be it. So let me set up the camera again. And yeah, I'll lower it a bit so we can actually see what we're doing. And let's right, the bolts are out. It's been about, I don't know, 15 minutes. Found a torch, I needed it because I got to see. So, yeah, let me grab, there we go. Here are our 3 bolts. So we're gonna go ahead and put them in this little safe spot over here. Toolbox, right, so what needs to happen now? I need to get this thing out before the sun goes down. So is it as simple as just popping it off? No. Cool, let's get to work with one of these guys. And just, oh, I don't like how that's loose. Hang on, we just want to get this guy out, okay? Just want to get this guy out, so you can stay on there. Okay. That was not the trim piece I wanted to get out. Great. Alright, I need to move this camera. I will be back with you when I get this stupid thing out. Guess what? There's another bolt. How do you mother... Okay, so basically, there's like... it's hard to see. Let me grab my torch. But right under there, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's another bolt. So, yeah, that's not happening. I'm just gonna go like... It's gonna give it a little bit of a casual little love tap. There we go. Bit of chiropractic work. And yeah, I'm just gonna kind of force that open. So let me, oh, I've got my hair, whatever. Turn this off. Alright, so I got a throttle controller. What we're gonna go ahead and do now is lie myself back under and try and actually like get this going now. So I'm just gonna put this stuff on the seat here. I don't even know how I'm gonna be able to film this. We'll just give it a shot. See if I can even get myself back in here. This is gonna be awkward, but... I'm gonna show you guys exactly where I need to get this out. So there's a tab up in there. You see it? That's gonna come out now. And we're basically gonna run the throttle controller up through there, up through this dash bit. And then, yeah, step it on the dash. So I'll get this out, and then I will, yeah, I will film once I'm out, because I can't film it. This is physically impossible. Cool, so got the torch, run this cable through here now. So what I want to do is basically just like position this little guy here there. So, and figure out where I want it. So I don't want it to block the lights, of course. And I also don't want it to be annoying, so maybe like there.
A few moments later.
There. I reckon that would be a good spot for it. Because it's not on the way. Oh, but then I can't really see it, can I? Let me figure this out, then we'll see. Guys, finally, we got it in. Now, look, this took so long. There's a cable there, don't worry about that. Right now, I'm just gonna start the car. Please no errors. Please no errors. Okay, that's a normal error. Stabilization, ignition off. Yeah, we're good. Now touch the throttle. Okay. Alright, we're good. So we're looking at it now. We got it in sport mode at the moment. Okay. Switch over to manual mode, automatic mode. What does this do? Oh, it just changes dials. Okay, hang on. This is kind of cool. Then we got... I guess that shows how much throttle's being pushed. Same again. Okay. And then we can change, so... Yo, that's kind of cool. So this is off. Now let's put in a race. Okay. Eco, sport. We'll leave it in sport for right now. Okay. Oh my god, it's finally in. So, that took A, way too long. B, look at my hair. I am so dirty from all that. Now I've got to put all the bolts back in. I've also got to move my car because my mum's going to drive out. Oh my god. Anyway, copyright. Anyway, we are done with that finally. And now we've got to do some other stuff. So, let me move my car out of the way. And yeah, I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright, and with that, I am proud to announce the throttle controller is installed. So, yeah, it works like you want. I just took it for a quick test drive. It works really well. So, there it goes. Anyway, yeah, it's took it for a quick test drive. Works really well. I can't go for a test drive right now. I don't know what my headset is for the GoPro, but I'll do, in the next video, do a quick little drive and show you how it all works. So, yeah, now there's some...
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
I put some things on my roof. I then forgot about those things, and I then drove off. Hang on. Okay, that's an issue. 1 second, because I'm an idiot. Well, here's one of them. That's great. Oh, here we go. Oh my god, thank god. Alright, so that was a bit stupid of me. Yeah, great. So, let's walk back to my house now. That was a nice 5-minute walk. And yeah, when I get back, we will install these bits that I very so stupidly left on my roof. So yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Alright, well, what bits did I actually get? So, I got this... Let's turn the music off again. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I got this little bit, which is going to sit, or should sit on like that. And then I got whatever this is, and I'm going to surprise myself because I have no idea. So let's install this first of all. Cool, got it open. So yeah, this is what this looks like. It's, I don't know, it feels like plastic, but it basically should just sit on like that. Oh yeah, that's going to make that look so much better. Okay, so I'm not so sure how easy installing this with the camera is going to be, but I reckon to just take the sticker off and install it. So I'll just do that, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, oh yeah, now that looks so good. Like, hang on, there's no... It's so hard to see because it's dark, but dude, like, so shiny. What have we got? Oh god, I'm making a mess of my car already. Out of there, so what do we got? We have... these trim pieces. Okay, so there you go there. So, once again, let's just do this a lot easier. Then, of course, the video decides to go corrupt, of course, because why wouldn't it? Just cause me some issues. So, yeah, I installed the little carbon bits on the, like, facade of the car. Anyway, so that's now done. I got some photos of it, so I'll put them up on screen now. But that's really all the evidence that, yeah, that I got. Because the car's currently with my granddad, he's borrowing it for a while, and yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I will see you in the next one, or hopefully when I get my car back, I will do a, I will do a, just a little show of how the actual throttle controller works. So yeah,